Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be nice collection of salwar materials. It's going to be a mixed varieties of more a simple function wear salwars. Those kind of salwars is going to be very pretty collections. We have in chanderi, we have some modal silk, we have some nice semi raw silk material, different varieties. I'll tell you about the material whenever I show you the salwar. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the salwars now. Very beautiful cotton salwar material with a nice, it's a soft cotton with a beautiful embroidery in the salwar. Quite a rich grand salwar. Very pretty one. It's more of a peachish pink shade. And the bottom is in pink with a very beautiful nice soft modal silk dupatta in digital print. Very pretty one. This is how the salwar looks. Very lovely design. And the price of this salwar is 1680. A beautiful chanderi salwar material in nice peacock blue with a lovely embroidery running throughout the body of the sari with small chunky works, and in the neck also it's a collar pattern neck with a very pretty neckline in it, and the bottom is in contrast beige with a very lovely dupatta again in beige with small sequence work in the dupatta. I'm sure you could see the small sequence work. Very pretty one. And the price of this salwar is 1820. Very nice soft cotton salwar material in peacock green with a yoke pattern design. In the yoke we have a nice embroidery running along the yoke, and the bottom part is plain with a nice contrast bottom in navy blue with the chanderi dupatta which has been nicely embroidered. The dupatta is very rich and nice, beautiful embroidered dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 980. Very nice chanderi material in green, beautiful one. We have a nice embroidery running throughout the body of the salwar, and the bottom is in contrast peacock green shade with a beautiful ikat pattern weaved chanderi dupatta. This is the dupatta of the salwar, and the price of the salwar is 1800. Very pretty chanderi material in sandal color with a nice embroidery in the front part. The salwar is completely embroidery, looks so rich and grand. In the center neckline we have a nice small design with buttons, and the bottom is in contrast color of dark beige. And again the dupatta is a very rich Banarasi weave dupatta, classy design, looks so classy, so rich. This is the salwar, and the price of this salwar is 1550. A nice maroon color chanderi material with a classy embroidered pattern design running throughout the body of the salwar, and the bottom is in contrast beige which is printed also, and a nice chiffon dupatta for this salwar with the edges being done. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 950. A very pretty modal silk salwar material with a small silver color weaving running throughout the body of the salwar. It's all completely weaved one, and in the center we have a beautiful button pattern design, and the bottom is in contrast red shade with a very classy dupatta, very different and rich dupatta. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 1230. A nice blue color chanderi material with a beautiful embroidery in the front pattern, small cross stitch pattern of embroidery, very neat design, and the bottom is in contrast navy blue, and the dupatta of the salwar is in chanderi ikat pattern design. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 1080. A nice light green cotton salwar material. It's a soft cotton again with a very pretty embroidery running throughout the front part of the salwar. Beautiful design, classy pattern. The bottom is in contrast blue, and the dupatta is more a crushed silk material with small work in it. Very classy one, neat, elegant one, and the price of this salwar is 1260. A nice wine shade chanderi material with a lovely embroidery in the front part with small chunky works also, and in the neckline we have a nice pretty small button works, very beautiful classy design. The bottom is in contrast beige, and the dupatta of the salwar is a very pretty beige dupatta with chunky work in the dupatta also, classy one. And the price of this salwar is 1860. Nice green color semi raw silk material with a lovely embroidery running throughout the body of the salwar, and the bottom is in contrast peacock green shade, and a very classy dupatta for this salwar in silk pattern with crush design and bandhani pattern. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 900. Very beautiful light grey with pink color combination salwar material with small sequence work running throughout the body of the salwar, and in the neck we have a very nice embroidery in pink combination, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and the dupatta of this salwar is a very classy sequence design dupatta. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 1230. A nice semi raw silk material with a beautiful embroidery running in the front part of the salwar. In the neckline also we have a beautiful embroidery, and the bottom is in nice contrast green with a chiffon shawl and bandhani printed chiffon shawl, beautiful pattern, and the price of this salwar is 880. Very beautiful light grey with dark grey combination cotton salwar material with a nice yoke pattern design in the embroidery in the yoke, beautiful one. The embroidery is been in black shade, very lovely pattern, looks really nice, and the bottom is in contrast black, and the dupatta of the salwar is in chanderi material in black with embroidery being done in grey shade, looks really classy, and the price of this salwar is 980. A nice maroon color chanderi material with a beautiful neck pattern design and a nice embroidery running throughout the top part with a button pattern design in the center also, and the bottom is in contrast beige, and a very beautiful Banarasi weaved dupatta for this salwar. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 1370. Very beautiful chanderi salwar material elaichi green with a lovely neckline design, beautiful embroidery with gotapatti work, and throughout the body it's a pretty printed design, digital print this is, and the bottom is in contrast orange shade. Again a very nice dupatta in soft silk material, very beautiful one. You could see a nice embroidery running along the dupatta. All the dupattas what we show are really rich dupattas. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 970. Very beautiful chanderi material, very nice rich salwar in black with a beautiful embroidery and small chunky works which has been stitched in the body. In the neckline we have a nice embroidery design, very classy pattern, looks really rich and elegant, and the bottom is in black. And the highlight of this salwar is the dupatta, which is so grand and so rich, completely embroidery in chanderi with border in the corner. It's going to be a really nice rich party wear salwar, and the price of this salwar is 1820. A nice light brown shade digital printed chanderi sari with a nice pattern in the in the neckline with small embroidery and gotapatti work in the neck, very pretty design. And the bottom of the salwar is in contrast green with a nice soft cotton dupatta, and we have embroidery in the dupatta also in self color. I'm sure you could see it. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 970. A nice wine shade chanderi material with a lovely embroidery in the front part with small chunky works also, and in the neckline we have a nice pretty small button works, very beautiful classy design. The bottom is in contrast beige, and the dupatta of the salwar is a very pretty beige dupatta with chunky work in the dupatta also, classy one, and the price of this salwar is 1860. A nice dark grey color chanderi material with a neck pattern design and a very classy embroidery running throughout the salwar, and in the neckline also we have a small design with buttons, and the bottom of the salwar is in contrast red with the chiffon dupatta for this salwar and printed salwar, and the price of this salwar is 1200. Very beautiful soft cotton salwar material again in green and maroon shade with the yoke pattern completely embroidered. Very classy, beautiful design. And the bottom is in contrast maroon. And the dupatta of the salwar is in maroon with completely embroidered in the dupatta also. Classy, rich design. And the price of this salwar is 980. A nice modal silk salwar material in light mustard shade. With the center line in the neckline, we have a beautiful small digital printed design, and throughout the body it's embroidery with small sequence work which is completely stitched, so nothing will come out. And the bottom of the salwar is in pink with a very pretty silk dupatta, and that's also completely digital print with sequence work. So the salwar looks really grand. So this is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 1550. Nice beige color salwar material with a classy small sequence pattern running throughout the body of the salwar, and in the neckline we have a small embroidery with cute ball pattern designs, and the bottom is in contrast red, and the dupatta of this salwar is a very nice maroon color dupatta in bandhani pattern, and the price of this salwar is 940. A nice soft cotton salwar material in grey and pink shade, beautiful pattern. In the yoke pattern we have nice embroidery in this salwar, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and the dupatta of the salwar is a very pretty chanderi dupatta with embroidery in the dupatta also. So this is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 980. A very beautiful blue color cotton salwar material, soft cotton it is, and a nice embroidery running in the body with a beautiful neckline in which we have been a nice embroidery also. Looks really classy. And the bottom is in contrast green with a very pretty green dupatta, and nice embroidery in the dupatta also with small sequence work which makes the salwar look really grand, and the price of this salwar is 1550. Nice peach color chanderi material with a beautiful embroidery with sequence work which has been completely stitched in the salwar. Very rich grand salwar, and the bottom is in contrast beige. The nice chiffon shawl for this salwar. Very grand rich salwar this is, and the price of this salwar is 1890. Nice light green color chanderi material with a very beautiful embroidery in sequence work in the salwar. Looks really classy. Even in the center pie neckline we have small cute buttons, and the bottom is in contrast pink with a nice chiffon shawl for this salwar. Really grand salwar, and the price of this salwar is 1620. A very pretty cotton salwar material, very classy light elaichi green, in that nice embroidery running throughout the body with some sequence work also, and in the neckline we have a pretty embroidery in it. The contrast light green color bottom, and the shawl of this salwar is so beautiful, plain with lines, and in the corner we have a border attached. Very classy pattern, and the price of this salwar is 1580. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.